Hello guys, today we will discuss about the liquid crystalline polymer. What is a liquid crystalline polymer? Firstly, we discuss about the introduction. After that, we will discuss about the blends and composites. So, without time wasting, let's go. Liquid crystalline polymer are the special type of thermoplastic polymers that exhibit a property between a highly ordered and a solid crystalline material and above for disordered liquids over a well-defined temperature range. Liquid crystals are partially ordered anisotropic fluid or are thermodynamically located between the three-dimensionally ordered. See that? The first one is the isotropic liquid shown in a figure. The systematically figure nematic, semi-nematic, and this solid liquid nematic. Liquid crystalline phase basically liquid crystalline phase nematic figure 2 and figure 3 sematic and a sematic. Nematic mesophase is derived from the Greek word the thread-like structure, not a transitional order, simplest liquid crystal phase. But a sematic mesophase defined is also derived from the Greek word for shop and show a degree of transitional orders. I think you can see below in a figure number 4. So aligning in the layers or planes. Materials in the liquid crystalline phase, a material that exhibit a said property of a liquid crystalline, often called a mesogenes, and the various phases in which they could exit the term mesophases. Based on the arrangement of molecules in the terms of orientation and the transitional degrees of the freedom, the liquid crystalline phases are classified broadly into the two different categories: nematic and mesophase, sematic and mesophases. Liquid crystalline mainly divided into two categories: thermotropic and allotropic liquid crystal polymers. Liquid crystal polymers, according to their phases and according to their category, inside the high molecular phases and low molecular mass in a thermotropic liquid crystalline polymers. Liquid crystal phase is a function of a temperature of a material. These are further divided into two categories: high molecular mass polymers and a low molecular mass polymer thermotropic liquid crystalline polymer. They again further divided into a in a high molecular mass, further divided into two categories: main chain polymer and a side chain polymer, and this again further divided in a low molecular mass in divided into a three types: climatic, rod-like, discotic, dislike, and a sanitic, brick or a lathe-like. Now now we will discuss now going to discuss about the liquid crystalline phase or a liquid crystal polymer in a lyotropic. Basically, a liquid in a lyotropic liquid crystal phase is a function of a concentration of material. In the next slide, we will we seeing the liquid crystalline polymer are generally comparison of low molecular weight mesogenic moieties. Liquid crystal polymer are majorly classified into the following two types in a lyotropic: main chain liquid crystalline polymers and the side chain liquid crystalline polymers. Main chain liquid crystalline polymers, these are formed when the mesogenes are themselves part of the main chain of a polymer. But in the side chain liquid crystalline polymers, these are formed when the mesogens are connected as a side chain to the polymer by a flexible bridge called the spacer. Normally they are methylene units. In a figure 5 classification of LCPs, look at that. These spacers usually normally methylene units in a main chain or in a side chain. Some properties of LCPs. Basically, we know about the no, we all know properties is necessary to drive these some types of polymers. So also LCP also driven by the properties. What types of properties inside him? Inside it, liquid crystalline polymer are expensive in a comparison to standard thermoplastic polymers. We all know that they possess excellent mechanical, electrical properties, and outstanding chemical resistance. That's why using a LCPs. LCP shows a high degree of anisotropy in a both solid and liquid crystal phase. The three most commonly LCPs are a PET copolyester, copolyamide, and a copolyesteramide. Basically, a figure in a 6 and figure 7, Kevlar and a Vectra is the common type of all LCPs shown in a figure. TG is of Kevlar, TG of Kevlar 326 degrees Celsius, because this is a high performance polymer. It is also a high performance polymer. That's why the processing or a melting temperature also high. And this polymer is below in the category of lyotropic liquid crystalline polymer, and Vectra below to the thermotropic liquid crystalline polymers. The TG of Vectra is 110 degrees Celsius. Now we talk about the Onnes theory. Onnes theory, the assumption. The assumption molecular ideal cylindrical in a shape. Interaction of non-covalent bond. C in a figure in a cylindrical in a shape, and to instability or a stable inside the cylindrical form. Static repulsion are considered, and the volume excluded by the different arrangement is an important factor also. Theory. So now theory said this theory explains theory said that this explains the observation on the coexistence or a separation from an isotropic phase to the nematic phase at a specific temperature or a concentration. Isotropic phase to transfer into a nematic phase, particular temperature or a particular concentration exhibit inside the phase transition. Cylindrical are oriented parallel to the one another. There is very little volume that is excluded from the center of mass. Now concluded, the parallel arrangement of degrees oriental entropy drive the phase transition. The process is competition between the translation and orientational entropy. So below the equation speak entropy is equals to orientation plus a positional or a packaging is the formula below, and the some limitations occurs inside the LCP's polymer or this theory. It doesn't able to explain the isotropic or nematic transition. The Ossenger theory is a athermal theory. It's hold good for a high aspect ratio, fail at a low aspect ratio situation, and although this model is conceptually helpful, it's mathematically formula assumption that limits it applicably to real systems. Meyer-Schupp theory. Basically, Meyer-Schupp theory is a macromically simplest model explaining the phase transition from isotropic to the nematic phase. But the theory is based on the assumption. These assumptions concluded in four types. The unattractive orientation depend on the van der Waals attraction between the molecules. It includes the electrical effect by the splitting, and they include the dipole movement between the adjacent liquid crystal molecules and the molecule rod shapes. And the use mean field theory. These theories based on the assumptions to microscopic simplest model to explain the phase transition from the isotropic to the nematic phase. Now conclusion or concluded, the configuration of the center of mass are not affected by the orientation dependent interaction. So in a figure, so nematic liquid crystal form in the center of mass depending on the order of parameter divided by the temperature. Fulfill the Meyer-Schupp theory. The anisotropic attraction stabilizes parallel alignment of the neighboring molecules. The mean field approximation of an interaction, and nematic phase if a T is less than Tc. Isotropic, otherwise the higher temperature more disorder systems, and the driving force minus energy or enthalpy. Limitations. Some limitations occur in Michaud-Shop theory is it doesn't consider short range forces and a lack of density jump at the transition. Mean field approximation is a more serve. These limitations occur inside the Michaud-Shop theory. Now summarize of this theory, mostly expected theory for the LCPs are excluded volume, answer chaser or effectively potentially Michaud-Shop. Model are really appropriate when compared to experimentally or due to a theoretical limitation and the difficulty to unambiguously test within the experimental data. Some characteristics of LCPs and LC liquid crystalline state phases are the LCP have a highly temperature resistance. We know that excellent thermal stability and the low viscosities in the melt make them the attractive material to thin wall application and parts. So due to the high level of order in the solid state, they possess a very high dimensional stability and the high strength of rigidity. In addition, they maintain their mechanical properties even at a low temperature, and the LCP have excellent chemical resistance, low extractables, and are biocompatible. That's why using in a biomedical applications also. Their flame retardants and the dielectric properties make them excellent candidate in the electrical and electronic applications also. That's why using in optoelectronic devices. We will discuss later. Now the sixth one is the liquid crystalline polymer, the relatively unique classes, a partially crystalline aromatic polyester based on a 4-hydroxybenzoic acid and a relative monomers are so figure in a below. These monomers, is a aromatic polyester based monomers or to form these types of different types of LCPs polymers. And the LCP is exceptionally inert and the resist stress cracking registered in the presence of some chemicals and elevated temperature include aromatic or halogenated hydrocarbons, strong acids and bases. LCP is outstanding mechanical properties and weatherability and the chemical resistance inherent to the flame retention and good stability. So they are capable of forming a region of high order. So structure while in the liquid phase, however, the degree of order is somewhere less than that of regular of the crystal. So see below in figure 10, and the hydrolytic stability is also inside this LCP's polymer because the boiling water is excellent or a boiling point. Environmental deteriorate this polymer high temperature stream and concentrated sulfuric acid is a boiling caustic materials. LC state phase is liquid crystal are matter in a state that the properties between those conventional liquids and those of a liquid solid crystal, and there can be distinguished on their basis of the optical properties. So first one is the mesophase liquid crystal state is a distinct phase of matter observed the crystal solid or isotropic liquid states. There are many types of liquid crystal states depending upon the amount of order in the material. Nematic liquid crystal phase is characterized by the molecules that have a no positional order but tend to point in the same direction along the director in the following diagrams. See below. So the third one is the semantic state. The semantic state is another distinct the mesophase of a liquid crystalline substance. The molecule in this phase show are a degree of transitional orders not present in the nematic in the semantic state also. The molecule maintain the general orientation order of the nematic but also tend to align themselves with the layer of planes. So the chloristic or a chiral nematic, also chiral nematic liquid crystal phase is typically composed of a nematic mesogenic molecule. So contain the chiral center which produce intermolecular forces between them and to favor alignment between the molecule at a slightly angle to the one another. Columnar liquid crystals are different from the previous types of we talked about, because they are shaped like a disc instead of a like rod. The mesophagus is characterized by the stack column of molecules. The column are packed together to form a two-dimensional crystalline array. Now we will discuss about the rheology of liquid crystalline polymers. What is the rheology? Rheology is nothing but is the study of a matter primarily in a liquid or a gas states, but also as a soft solids or a solid under the condition in which they respond with the plastic flow rather than the deforming elastically or to in the response of applied force. Liquid crystal polymers can be broadly divided into two divisions. Liquid crystalline polymers, examples of Cavolo, the concentration dependent or a temperature dependent. Thermotropic liquid crystalline polymer or light tropic. Also, we were discussed, and so we learned rheology. Lyotropic liquid crystalline form, their rheological behavior are well known. Their properties depend on the ratio between the polymer solvent and the polymer concentration. Their theory indicates that the lyotropic nematic liquid crystallinity is a consequence of a chain stiffness and a large overall safe anisotropy because of the rigid rod of a molecule at the range of critical concentration of a polymer changing the viscosity characteristics LCP. The viscosity increases with an increase in polymer concentration and achieve a critical point, and slightly decrease the viscosity LLCP is observed. Figure the show in the temperature divided by the polymer concentration, the region third and the region first and second, to show the isotropic, anisotropic, and the region third the isotropic phase with the and the LC phase. Thermotropic liquid crystalline polymer, the rheological behavior, some excellent mechanical properties, then high glass temperature and low coefficient of thermal expansions. These formula use the relation between the viscosity of a polymer solution and the polymer concentration for the stiff chain and the soft chain polymers. Can be classified with the modified Martin equations. This is also called the Martin equations. So, thermotropic liquid crystalline polymer and the behavior of the rheological behavior is the because the mechanical and the high temperature and low coefficient of thermal expansion, a good dielectric property and a good resistance to the weather condition. Hydrogen and gamma radiation. Thermal liquid crystal are the many branches of industry, many different applications. The character caused by temperature changes depend on the order of liquid crystal. Basically, basically all over things to relate to the temperature is called the thermotropic liquid crystalline polymer. Depending on the temperature and depending on the liquidity is a lyotropic. The rheology of LCPs exhibit unique behavior that arise from a complex interaction between a crystal and a flow. Generally compared with the standard polymer, LCP have a low and a small or no die swell during exposure. This is a shear rate and a viscosity to interact the following data. I think now to end of the class of LCP unit 2 part 1. Now later we will discuss about the blends and composites of LCP. After that we will discuss about the applications. Basically 3 parts of unit 2 we composed by Polymer World. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you interested in a English language or a Hindi comfortable, then please comment below which language is prefer, then I will make videos in this language. Okay, thank you.